Hi champions, it's another language class and today's topic is sound segmenting. We have been doing this for some time now and you are quite familiar with the gestures that goes along with segmenting. You are to raise two fingers when you see two letter words and read. Now let's read this word. If. And when you want to segment, you have to wiggle your middle finger and your pointer. Let's do it. If. And here is another word. In. In. This is called segmenting. And here comes the blending. On. On. At. At. Hope you are demonstrating with your fingers. Now, let us segment 3 sounds. The next words you see are going to be 3 sounds. So I need you to raise your middle finger, ring finger, and your pointer when we read the word mad. And let's get to segments. A, D. Vet. Are your 3 fingers raised? Great. Now let's segment. V, E, T. Here you have 4 letters but make 3 sounds. Cake. Raise 3 fingers and let's segment. K, A, K. And here is another 4 letters that make 3 sounds. Type. So let's segment. T, I, P. Here is another one. Okay, here I will show you a card with a sound on it. You have to identify the sound and tell me. But before then, let us review the sound we learned from our last lesson. And the sound is Z. Yes, it has a sister sound, so we review sound Z. Let's read the word. Zig, zag. Zig, zag. Now let us review other sounds that you have learned so far. You know, you have been learning some letters. So here is one of them. V, as in van. F, as in fan. Yes, those two are sister sounds. Let's check out the next sound. S, as in sit. And here is another sound you have revealed. And here is the word that goes with it. Heart. Heart. Here is another sound. Now let's check out the words that goes with it. Man. Yes, the sound is at the end of the word man. As in, you are going to read the word for me. What do you see? Good. Maths. And this is sound A. Yes, can you guess the word? Mad. Sound A is at the middle of the word mad, the color red. T. T. And what word goes with this sound? Can you read this for me, please? Great. Tug. Tug. Beautiful. And this is the. The. So what word do we have with the? Dad. I like that. Dad. The appeared 2 times. Or. Now what word do we have with an Mom. Or is at the middle of the word mom. Okay, let's check out the next sound. And here comes the word that goes with it. Cat. The k is at the beginning of the word cat. And this is sound g. G. What word do you think we have with this sound? Dog. The sound g is at the end of the word dog. E. So let's check out the words that go with this. Dig. The sound E is at the middle of the word dig, the red color. Great. Now, I still want you to refer to the sound poster in our classroom if you forget a particular sound, and if you are at home, you can watch this video as many times as possible. You have a new sound to learn today, and it is P. P. Yes, today's new sound is P. So I want you to say the sound several times. P. P. Now let's check out the words that have the P sound at the beginning. The words you will hear now are going to start with sound P. So read with me. Parts. Pool. Pear. Plum. Now, the next word you will see, we have the sound P at the end. So I need you to listen attentively and let's read. Drop. Drop. Sap. Sap. Top. Top. Sharp. Sharp. Now let's learn about the tongue twister. I'm going to read you a tongue twister. A tongue twister is a phrase that can be tricky to say because many of the words have the same sounds. So let's read this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Now, which sound did you hear the most often from that phrase tongue twister I read? Which sound did you hear most often? Now, this is called tongue twister P. I will read this a second time. You will raise your hand whenever you hear the sound P. Are you ready? Great, let's go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay. Now, I will read it one more time. You will repeat each sound. You will repeat each phrase when I read. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Can you tell which part of your mouth you are using to make the sound P? Good. You make the sound P. By pressing our lips together and making a popping sound. Yes, you press your lip together when you sound the P. Now, is this sound P a consonant or a vowel letter? It is a consonant sound. It is made by pressing the lips together and then popping them open with a burst of air. I'm going to say a few riddles. I need your help guessing the answer. Yes, are you ready? I'm going to say a few riddles. I need your help guessing the answer. They all begin with sound P. I'm thinking of a flat and round food, a type of food made with dough, tomato sauce, and cheese. What type of food do you think it is? Pizza. Pizza. Lovely. I'm thinking of a black spice you must use with salt, a seasoning that will make you sneeze if it gets into your nose. What do you think that could be? Pepper. Pepper. I'm thinking of a fat animal that lives on a farm. An animal that says oink, oink. Which animal is that? Pig. It's a pig. Lovely. I'm thinking of a place where you can swim, something you can jump into only when it is full of water. What do you think that is? Pool pond. Pool pond. Lovely. Now, I'm thinking of a soft and cuddly animal that can be a pet, a baby dog. What do you call that? Puppy. Puppy. I'm thinking of something you can write on, something used to make the pages of a book. Yes, what do you write on, or what is used to make the pages of a book? Paper. Paper. I'm thinking of something big people give you for your birthday, something you unwrapped. What do you think is that? Present. Yes. Did you get a present on your birthday? Great. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is to introduce the spelling. I mean that I'm going to show you how to draw the picture of the sound P. Now you write this on your worksheet. You have it on your worksheet. Yes. You are going to start on the dotted line, line down ending below the bottom line, and circle to the right. Here is how to draw the picture of sound P. You're up, down, and you circle to the right. You curve to the right. Can you try this in an imaginary form? Or you can as well draw it on the table. Now you are going to meet your worksheet. And this is the page you are working on, lesson 8.1 with sound P. And the back page, you are to write the correct word under the matching picture. Thank you. Now here you have your pocket chart shading. In pocket chart shading, there are letters displayed that we are going to use to make three-letter words. And these are the letters. We have E, A, O, M, N, T, D, F, Z, and P, the new sound for today. Now, when you are reading, you start from left to right, just like the way the arrow is pointed towards the right in this picture. So let's segment and blend. A, N, fan, eat, feet, pin. Pan. Pad. Pat. Pot. Pop. Now let's check out another chain. We are still using the same letter. We are going to write them in another form. Here are the words. Top. Tip. Tap. Nap. Zap. Map. Mop. Mom. Thank you. Now work on your take-home activity and be good kids. This is the page of your take-home activity. I'm sure you had great fun learning today. I'm so excited to be your teacher and be good character kids. God bless you. See you next time. Bye-bye.